Yo, what's good, guys? Today we are playing Oriental
Short hair. Wait.
Horror.
Short cat. Horror experience by Brown Potato Yeet 7. This is a very scary video. So if you're and it an epilepsy warning. I'm this guy's friend, and he kind of stinks a little bit. Yeah. Alright. Start the game. You should probably look out the window, bro. Might see something.
I had to go shopping that day. There's the little cat guy.
It's absolutely fucking horrifying.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Wait. Go up to that giant Nokia phone. Wait, you need to call the local authorities.
Wait, what?
Would not work, bro.
It ain't working.
Bruh, oh my god.
Do I have to like jump out the window or something?
No. Are you going back in there, bro?
Oh, what the fuck? I think they killed
Oh
someone.
no! Oh no!
No. Yo,
Oh
I
god.
think they killed someone.
No, whoa, wait. Where's there blood everywhere? What the
How
freak?
is blood even everywhere?
It's going everywhere, bro.
Pause. Huck to it.
Wait, watch out, bro. Watch out. You might see the orange. Wait, the Oriental short hair cat.
Why? Why is this?
Oh no,
What?
this is so scary.
No, you're not going there. Bro, this game actually sucks.
Yeah, you can't go that way, bro. You can't go that way, bro.
This way.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
oh no,
That's really scary.
that's spooky. Wait, it's forcing you to go that way. It's forcing you to go that way.
Yo, I might be cooked.
Nah, this okay. Scary, bro. The freak.
No way.
Oh. Hey,
What?
what?
Wait, why did that? That actually kind of got me. Like, not gonna lie.
Was all the budget in this game put into the cat's animation?
And
Because
that
that's like the most cleanest thing in the game right now. Wait, you can go inside here, I think.
I don't know.
Not sure.
I don't know how to build stores. Okay, this is loud.
You gotta get one of those, bro.
Oh, I fell.
What?
Ah, please. Wow, this feels like playing Garden of Banban.
Yo, Garden of Banban, but if it was like 1,000 times better.
Garden of Banban, but the characters aren't made of like 55.
Run! Oh!
The cat's gonna get
You gotta run back home, I think. Don't look behind you, bro. It majorly slows you down, bro. Gotta run back to your house, bro. Stop looking back, bro. It's gonna kill you. Go. You're actually so close. Come on. Hide.
Hide where? Oh, this.
You gotta call the popo. Oh no.
This is
That
getting
actually scared me. You were caught. If you didn't see it, replay and look behind you. Yo, and that's Oriental short-hair cat horror experience.
50 Cent!